Ano yan?
Protein. Ano yung vitamins na binigay? Vitamins?
Yung tablet?
Na binigay sa'yo maliliit, vitamins?
Ganun? Oh. Do I buy them?
Hindi, binig. Paano ang vitamins sa katawan din, o? Sa katawan?
Katawan.
Kasi sabi ko, gabi, gano ko ng protein para sa iyo, ano? Hindi ko napakinggan si Glory ko. Kaya, mabuti. Dapat si Paris later din, protein.
Lapit na.
Ito talaga, kukuha eh.
Yung protein ni Carlo, isang linggo lang yun, hindi yan naabot.
That one? Yeah, no.
Kasi sa tingin naman ni...
Sa labas ako bumibili ako tag 10 pounds eh, yung parang dog food.
I've never bought that much before.
Anong tingin?
Talaga?
10 pounds.
Tag-ilan. Yung 10 pounds, mga 3 months.
Magkano yun?
Just a bag about like this, mga...
3,000.
3,500, ganyan.
Wow.
Pero, ano?
3,500 kung yung...
Depende sa ano.
Pero yung brand. Price.
Pero yung brand.
Owen. Owen.
ON?
Optimum Nutrition.
You bought, diba?
Ano mo,
Masarap daw na flavor.
Strawberry.
That's why.
Yung parang ice cream daw.
With that,
Chocolate lang palagi.
Hindi, mapatigil. Di pa, tikman ko dito ha.
Tapos ang gusto ko, ano siyang stir lang.
Pwede.
Baka hindi ko kailangan shaker.
Shake it up or you don't have to blend it.
Yung isa
Vanilla.
parang tamad-tamad.
Ay, sa yung brand yan. Yung isa mo. Malaki. Okay, sorry.
yung brand ko, ayan. May 3 flavors, chocolate, vanilla, at strawberry.
Yan yun.
Favorite ko ay strawberry. Pero yung isang protein, mas gusto ko yung chocolate. Kasi, pero different.
Iba't ibang brand, iba't ibang
Wow.
May question ako.
Ano yung pinakamagandang brand?
After ba ng nomination, pwede naman kausapin si Kuya, di ba?
Kausapin?
Oo.
Tungkol sa...
Kausapin mo si Kuya?
Wala.
Hindi ka sabihin mo kung sino doon sa huli yung ano.
Hindi, usap lang.
Gusto mo kausapin si Kuya?
Yung sa huli.
Wala.
Dibatin sa huli-huli. Dito, kunwari ako huli-huli mapasok sa confession room. Hindi ko kasama ng confession room, ikaw mapasok doon. Ganun na lang.
Gusto mo kausapin si Kuya?
Kaya sabihin ko na...
Tanayan mo kung bakit nandito si Sugar.
Hindi ka natanong kanino kasi parang bastos naman.
Pero okay.
Parang off topic.
Oo.
Lip balm.
Ay, man! Kagabi na kasi...
Alam ko, siyempre, mahirap yung mga pinag-usapan niyo kay Kuya.
Sorry. Grabe.
Yung lip balm ko? Doon kay Inuha ni Francine.
Talaga?
Mag-lip balm. Sige.
Bakit?
He's like,
Deodorant cup? And I'm like, well, I don't share deodorant, especially if it's a stick, but here you go. Since you're leaving, I'll ask you for some later.
Wala pa lang.
Kuya, pahingin din po deodorant.
Grabe kayo yung mga sabi ni Kuya kagabi. Talagang nakakaya.
Okay.
Kahit dumuha niya.
Bawal yun.
Share deodorant.
Kaya Kuya. Okay na yun.
Oo nga, maselan ka sa ano, saliva.
Selen?
Maselan.
Ano yan?
Ano ba maselan?
Hindi ko alam.
Ano ba maselan?
Sensitive.
Masela, sensitive.
I'm more sensitive to saliva?
Hindi. Maselan.
Maarte? Parang ganun.
Yeah.
Sa?
Maarte. Ay, hindi maarte.
You
Parang...
don't want...
Maselan is sensitive.
You don't want sharing like salivas or...
Sensitive
I mean,
Hindi
spoons or, you know...
Spoons, no. I share with the Polbaron. I share with the drink. Deodorant, that's hygienic. That's what, I don't share my toothbrush.
No, I mean...
Di toothbrush, iba na yung...
Maselan
using the
is...
same bar as soap actually.
Ako rin.
But I do.
It's...
Cannot have one bar of soap. No. Let me have soap.
Maselan. Sorry, sinari sa harap.
I'm not a germaphobe.
So, sorry so... Nagulo yung isip ninyo dahil...
Kasi alam kami. Kasi it's... Mahirap to.
Hindi, sa akin ay... May decision ako sa sarili ko.
Sorry, sinari sa harap.
I'm not a germaphobe.
So, sorry so... Nagulo yung isip ninyo dahil...
Kasi alam kami. Kasi it's... Pet peeve. Mahirap to.
Pet peeve? Like something, oh yeah, puede. Like something I don't like.
But it's personal.
Yeah, this one's a personal thing. Well, because it's hygienic, like... It's like, if I need a pair of socks, and you're wearing one, and here, give it to me, I'm like, well, I'm not gonna wear it, di ba?
Parang Kevin, sure na si parang si Ching yun nasa gym.
Workout.
Hindi, sabi niya kasi sa akin yun, lagi kami nag-uusap. Labas ko dito, gym ko. So, araw. Doon na lang daw siya. Nalukot ko nga, di ba, paglabas dito sa gym ka na matulog. Doon na raw siya matira.
Ano?
Sigurado mas malaki pa katawan sa akin no, paglabas dito.
Ano pa?
Mabili daw siya maraming protein.
Oh, what else? Okay, fine.
Pag isang protein, ako isang protein.
Pero-
Pag
We share the same spoon.
pag taste ng
Wala pa.
Cooking?
Ilan na ako
Oh no, kasi I learned in cooking class.
Kung wala kang
Like every time it's like, oh, I try something.
Kahit wala kang protein powder, tama yung mga ginagawa
it's a habit for me, oh.
Kumakain ka naman ng karne.
I'm not gonna like double dip in it, or like whatnot. Or like the rice. Or like rice or ulam. Kasi sa States, meron akong serving spoon bawat, bawat dish. There's a serving spoon for the rice, there's a serving spoon for that, and that.
I mean dun sa
Picky.
Picky?
Almost.
Oh, parang ganun.
Picky, pero pet peeve na.
But I see it more as like a pet peeve.
Pet peeve, di ba?
Oh. Pero it's just what I'm accustomed to, di ba?
Kahit sino naman.
Hindi, dun nga lang sa cooking.
Sa cooking lang?
Some friends are, hey, dude, can you buy some deodorant? And I thought he said something like a can of spray.
Yeah.
Give me like a stick, and I was
You know, if it was my cousin, okay, yeah, in a second. I'm like, oh, just get some tissue, wipe it off.
Sige. Ay, sorry, sugar. Ipit ka na pala dyan.
Ano pa? Yung ex-girlfriend ko, she accidentally threw away her garbage. I threw away her toothbrush. And then she asked me to use mine. I'm like, what? Like, really? You want to share a toothbrush?
Niloko rin nga ni kita.
Like, yeah, I was like, I mean, okay, but do you really want to? It was weird at first, but then I'm like, alright, if you want to use my toothbrush, go ahead.
What about
Kiss
chapstick?
anyway.
Yung kapatid ko,
Oo nga naman.
Chapstick?
What about chapstick?
Oh, the lip balm thing?
Yeah, would you share that with? Do you share that with people?
Here, like I said to, for me, I don't know, I'm picky, but if a girl asks me, I don't mind if a girl goes like this. But when a guy asks me, it's like, yo, use your finger. Use your finger, scoop it up and just go like that. But if a girl asks me, I'm like, yeah, go ahead. It's fine for me, I don't know.
Bakit?
I just think like that.
I don't know. I think if it's someone random, I can't do it. I'm like,
Oh, man, hindi ko kaya random.
yeah, look at their mouth. Like,
Kung kapatid ko, okay lang yan. If it's a guy, use your finger.
Sorry, kapatid ko. Toothbrush niya na ako minsan nagamit ko.
Talaga?
Yung iba nga, diba, brush ayaw paggamit.
Ako?
Hindi, yung iba.
Oh, yung iba.
Ibang tao. Kasi pag ginamit yung brush niya, tapon gagawin.
Kagaya mo.
I hate one of my friends. One of my friends
Hindi,
used my
ako okay
chapstick
lang
one time.
naman yun,
Nagamit siya
pero-
ang chapstick ko. Pero, hindi ko napansin na may sakit siya. He was sick. Hey, bro, grab some of your chapstick. No, dude. I can't use that anymore. I can't use it.
Okay lang naman gamitin yung brush ko, pero wag lang may kuto or something, di ba? May kuto ka ba?
Oo, tingnan mo.
You know?
I don't like when I let people use my brush and then there's like,
Ito ako parang feeling ko na nahawa ko sa
I brush.
dandruff. Hindi na ako awal dandruff. Wala kaya akong dandruff bago ako pumasok dito. Hindi na ako awal.
Or katulad nung yung gel mo. Diba,
Ah,
ginaganon mo, tapos hindi mo pa hugasan.
Kaya ko yan. Hindi.
That's why every time I use a brush, if I have wax, I always wash it afterwards.
Kaya Kuya Roy, humiyak ko
Okay lang
naman.
naman gamitin.
Uy, ang dumi Kuya Roy, sorry ah. Tinanggal ko.
Okay.
Grabe nung dati ako nag-alaga ng buong ganun. Talagang natulog ko, nakatagilid lang ng ganun.
my gosh.
Ayoko nung nakagano'n kasi nasira.
Bigo to.
Para tipid din. O tsaka, hindi siya bumabakag. Nakatagilid lang talaga ako. Pag tulog ko ganito, pag-isip ko na
Bigo
kaganito.
to.
Na si Kigoy.
Kigoy?